your central, other is your eccentric, and which is most concerned interstitial. At your level, these are in lower animals. So not important for you UG people, but for postgraduate people, they should know what are the other type of implantation and all those things. Okay, at your level, this is the type in which we are interested, that in humans, interstitial type of implantation, that means the blastocyst, is completely embedded. It is completely embedded in the endometrium. It is completely embedded in the endometrium. So this is the interstitial type. So we will see via a diagram how this is going to happen, in what stage we have studied and how this is going to happen. So what will be there? Like we will start with, there will be what? So fusion, fertilization will be there, 2-cell stage. Okay, this is 2-cell stage. Now I am drawing this zona pellucida. This is the ZP I am writing, it's not possible for every time. So this is 2-cell stage. It will divide and come into the what? 8-cell stage. Okay, 8-cell stage. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8-cell stage. Now you have 16-cell stage or Malverni stage. Process of cleavage. कौन सा प्रोसेस हो रहा है? यहाँ क्लीवेज हो रहा है, then it become compact, then compaction हो रहा है. This is just a revision, you should know. Then what will happen? Morula, this is the Malverni or morula stage. So what will happen? Now? So this stage, so we are putting, you have to just imagine that we are putting in a, this is the rasgulla which we are putting in this rasmalai. Okay, at this stage. So now this blastocyst and zona pellucida is still there. But what will happen? At this, after this stage, this is our rasmalai and this is rasgulla and rasmalai. So what is rasmalai? Rasmalai ka kya? Milk of rasmalai. So you can remember that is what? Uterine milk. This milk here is your uterine milk. Okay, uterine milk is what? The secretion of the uterine gland is known as uterine milk. So this is the secretion of uterine gland. ये secrete हो गया. So what will happen? Now what will happen? This is getting inside this uterine milk when it is going near endometrium or the uterus. This uterine milk is going inside that morula or the rasgulla which we virtually imagine. So this is the rasgulla in which it is entering. So if it is enter someone, then water or fluid will do what? It will जो बीच में cell है, it will remove it to the sides. Okay. So what will happen? ये क्या करेगा? ये जो liquid गया, this will remove it. This will, तो क्या होगा? In this corona time or something, what will we are doing? We are permitting that our inside people, जो घर के लोग हैं, we are permitting it कि चलो आप आ जाओ. But जो outsider है उनको क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? We don't permit in our home. तो क्या हो रहा है? They are outside. So यहाँ पे जो cell है, they are segregated. So now these are outer cell, and these are the inner cell. Okay. So embryoblast जो हो जाएगा, that is this is the central So this will be divided into what? Embryoblast or trophoblast. So this is the embryoblast, inner cell mass, जो अंदर के लोग हैं उनको हमने अंदर किया और जो बाहर है वो बाहर उनको छोड़ दिया. So these become trophoblast. Trophoblast को हमने बाहर छोड़ दिया towards the traffic and they got flattened with the pressure of the fluid. Pressure of fluid बीच में पड़ा तो क्या हुआ, जो बाहर के किनारे की तरफ मूव करते गए they got flattened and your these cell accumulated. These are the embryoblast cell. Okay, so these are embryoblast cell. अब जो यहाँ trophoblast cell है ऊपर आपको दिख रहे हैं, these are the trophoblast cell. So in again I am drawing this in detail. Okay, so जो यहाँ पे है this trophoblast cell. So we have drawn like I have drawn with different colors. So this is ये हो गया आपका trophoblast. Okay, and this is your embryoblast, inner cell mass, and this is outer cell mass. तो यहाँ पे trophoblast है. So now trophoblast. So embryoblast will give rise to the embryo proper, and this will give rise to extra embryonic tissue or placenta. So this trophoblast, what will they do? They will be divided into one which is lying there. This is the central. So this is the central and this is your peripheral. This is the central and this is peripheral. So neural center is very less in number, around 30 cells, and it is around 99 cells. It's not exact. So neural and peripheral. Sorry, not neural and peripheral. It's a polar and neural, not peripheral. So polar is this neural is peripheral. Neural and polar. So polar is the central, which is 30, and neural is the peripheral, which is a 99 from. Okay, so trophoblast is dividing again into the central and peripheral part. The central is known as polar. Central is known as polar. This is polar, and peripheral is known as neural. It is polar is 30. It is 99. It is central. Okay. So polar central. Pole central में होता है. Center में होता है. So we remember that polar is central and it is 30, and peripheral is neural. It is around 99. Okay. So this is the story of implantation. Then what will happen? This will trophoblast. In next stage, what will happen? This is we will draw that what? This we have drawn the uterine epithelium. Okay. This is the uterine epithelium, and this is your trophoblast. Okay. So this is your trophoblast. So it is a trophoblast. So this central portion, central trophoblast, and this is the inner cell mass. Different color I am putting. And what will happen? This central trophoblast. Okay, this central trophoblast. So what will be happen? After that, there will be the hatching of zona pellucida. So zona pellucida, which is thick, and now it will start thinning out. Thinning out ये करने लगेगा. Then what will happen? These trophoblast cell will invade. ये ऐसे इसके अंदर घुसना शुरू करेंगे. They will get inside. ये येलो से मैंने दिखाया है invasion. So this is your uterine epithelium. This is your uterine epithelium, and this is your trophoblast, which which is the central or polar trophoblast. So it start invading inside that uterine endothelium. Endothelial layer में ये क्या endometrium में क्या करेगा, invade कर रहा है. But what is the mechanism? How this is going to invade? So आपने वो पढ़ा ना key and lock वाला mechanism. So what will happen? Biochemistry में भी पढ़ा होगा, enzymatic block and all those things. So this is uterine endometrium, okay, and this is the trophoblast, okay. So what will happen that initiate that invasion? So there will be on the trophoblast there will be L-selectin, okay, there will be N-selectin or there will be integrin. These are the proteins which are there at this level, and they have the affinity for what? They have that carbohydrate receptors. These are the carbohydrate receptor. Okay, so this has an affinity for this. So these L-selectin are going to attach here, and now they will start invading that uterine endometrium. So what will happen? So these L-selectin on the trophoblast cell, there is a L-selectin, there is a integrin which is on the trophoblast cell. So they have affinity for the carbohydrate receptor which is present on the uterine endometrium. So they got attached there, and thus they got invaded inside, and thus that blastocyst along with the trophoblast. What is blastocyst? Blastocyst पे भी short question पूछा जाता है. That morula is the blastocele. Blastocele is this cavity, this fluid filled cavity is known as blastocele. Okay. So blastocele along with the morula, जो मलबरी स्टेज था हमारा, that is known as blastocyst. So if you have to answer the question on blastocyst, then you can draw this diagram. You can write about the blastocele, what is the morula, all schematic diagram you have to draw, and you have to write in the language. Blastocele, what is blastocyst, and all those things. So this invasion will initiate that process of the implantation. So what are the various factors which will initiate and completes the implantation? So implantation, this will start itself with the fertilization के process के बाद morula stage आया, then it will start. But finally, since zona pellucida is there, so it doesn't allow it to get zygote to get implanted. So after this hatching of the previous events like ovulation, fertilization, cleavage, compaction, inner cell mass, outer cell mass, these are the events just preliminary to the implantation. But after that, what will, from the hatching of the zona pellucida and the integration with these proteins, this will initiate the process of the implantation. So this will initiate, and after that, that got invaded into this, that complete that process of the implantation.